To resolve the issue of your Temu app not working, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection can cause the app to malfunction. Next, check for any available updates for the Temu app in the App Store, and install the latest version if available. This is because outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues and bugs that may cause the app to stop working. Clearing the app cache is another effective solution. The cache can accumulate over time and cause the app to slow down or stop working altogether. To clear the cache, go to your device settings, find the Temu app, and select the option to clear cache. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Temu app. This will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the problem and provide a fresh start for the app. It is also essential to check for any conflicts with other apps on your device. Sometimes, other apps can interfere with the Temu app and cause it to malfunction. Try closing other apps or uninstalling any recently installed apps to see if this resolves the issue. Additionally, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for the Temu app. If your device does not meet these requirements, the app may not work properly. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact the Temu app support team for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help you troubleshoot the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Temu app and get it working smoothly again. Remember to always keep your app and device updated, and regularly clear the cache to prevent similar issues in the future.